Almost perfect mga kabunso. Wow. Perfect. So here we go mga kabunso. Your shot is ready. Your sex on the beach shots. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin Diego and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a sex on the beach shots. So for these shots, you need this vodka and peach liquor and orange juice and cranberry juice, and of course my shaker and my jigger. So mga kamuso, let's start for sex on the beach shots. So mga kamuso, first step, cranberry juice, 10 ml of cranberry juice, 10 ml of cranberry juice, and 10 ml of orange juice. And for the peach liquor, 15 ml of peach liquor, half ounce, 15 ml. And for the vodka, 25 ml of vodka, Smirnoff Red. Alright mga kamuso, 25 ml. And of course, put some ice. Some ice. Alright. Alright mga kamuso, and shake it. Alright, and then almost done mga kabuso in our shot glass. Let's prepare our 2 shots. Almost done mga kabuso. Here we go. Your sex on the beach shot. Wow, nice colors. Oops. Yes, perfect. Almost perfect mga kabunso. Wow. Perfect. So here we go mga kabunso. Your shot is ready. Your sex on the beach shots. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share to all your friends my vlogs. So let's try it. So cheers. Whew. Nice shots mga kamuso. Perfect shots. So mga kamuso, once again, thank you very much for watching your sex on the beach shots. Cheers.